Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a crochet coaster. So I am going to use 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. I am going to make a slip knot. Now I am going to make a foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Chain 1. Again yarn over, pull through the loop. Same as yarn over, pull through the loop. Again yarn over, pull through the loop. I am going to make a 5 chain, then make a circle. Pull through 2 loops. As you can see, this is the circle. Now makes 2 chain. I am going to make a double crochet in US. Look at this. Yarn over, insert into that circle, pull through. Now I have 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3 loop. So pull through 2, pull through. As you can see, this is the 1 double crochet. Again yarn over, insert into circle, push back from 1 loop. Again, as you can see, I have 3 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert into circle. Again I have 3 loops. Pass into 2, again pass into 2. As you can see, I have made 3 double. Same as I am going to complete the whole circle. As you can see, I have completed the circle and made 15 double crochet, and I am also going to count this one a chain of 2 stitches. Also I am going to count it and make it 16 double crochet. Okay, so I am going to end this first round by making just a slip stitch, as you can see. Now I am going to start second round, making a chain of two chains, 1 and 2. Now second round is going to complete, is going to start and first is going to complete, making a yarn over and making a double crochet. Again 3 loops, pull through 2, again pull through 2. Okay, making a chain, 1, again 2 chains, yarn over and make a double crochet. As you can see, yarn over and insert into very next one. There is a gap. The gap is because of 2 chains. Again make 2 chains. Yarn over and insert into very next stitch. Again yarn over, insert into very next stitch. I have completed the second round and making 16 double crochet with a gap of 2 chains. In each part a gap of 2 chains. I am going to end this round making the 2 chains and making just a slip stitch. Second round is going to be almost complete. To start the third round, making 2 chains as we made in the previous 2 circles. Yarn over and insert into next chain. Yarn over and I am going to fill that round. With the 3 double crochet. One double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. I made the double crochet on the previous one, as you can see. Again yarn over and making a double crochet. 2 double crochet are, as you can see on the previous one. Two double crochet in the previous one. Yarn over. Again I am going to fill with 3 double crochet. Yarn over and make 2 double crochet on the previous one. In the third round, as you can see, I have completed. I had made making just a slip stitch. Now I am going to start yarn over, equal to 4 chains. Yarn over, skipping this one, move into this one in the 4th round. Again make double crochet 2 into 1 and 2 into again 1. Again chain 2, yarn over, skipping this one and move into next one. And make a double crochet as you can see. Again chain 2, yarn over, insert into next one by skipping the one. Again chain 2, again chain 2, as you can see I have completed the 4th round almost. I made almost 24 double crochet with a gap of 2 chain in every step as you can see. Now I am going to make the last part of the 4th round, chain 2 and making just a slip stitch to close that 4th round. So as you can see 4th round is almost going to be complete. Now I am going to start the 5th round, again making chain 2, yarn over and insert into very next one and making a double crochet. Yarn over and insert into this one by filling it with a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into seam, yarn over and making a double crochet. In one loop you have to fill 3 double crochet and the next one is going to be fall as it is. As you can see you have to just fill it with that round. Again yarn over and filling this part with a 3 double crochet, yarn over, filling this part with it again one more, means total 3. As you can see again make 1 double crochet as it is. As you can see you have to fill that 5th round according to the 3rd round. Again yarn over and filling next part with a 3 double crochet. As you can see I have completed the 5th round by making almost 100 double crochet. As you can see now I am going to end this round by making just a slip stitch. So as you can see round 50 is almost complete. Now it's time to start 6th round. I am going to make 6 chain, 1, 5 and 6, skipping the 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, move into this one as you can see and making just a slip stitch at that moment. Again 1, 1 1 2 3 and 4. Move into next fourth round, fourth stitch, making a slip stitch as you can see. Again 1 2 3 4 and 5 and last one stitch, 6 stitch, skipping 3, 1 2 3 and 4 and making a slip stitch. I'm going to complete the whole sixth round by moving this one. Now this round is almost complete and I made 24 apartment like this, with one apartment consists of 6 chains. Round 6 is completed. Now the last round is going to be started. Now what you have to do is you have to make just a single crochet, 1 2 and 3, making 3 chains, and again make single crochet, 1 2 and 3. Its shape is almost like the spike as you can see. Again in the second apartment making 3, 1 2 and 3, chain 3, again make single crochet. This is 1 2 3. If you have any ambiguity or any query relating to any round, you can pause the video and you can focus that round. Again I am going to start the third one. Chain, single crochet, 3 single crochet, 3 single crochet, again chain 3, again make 3 single crochet, as you can see I have completed the last round. If you have any ambiguity or query related that point, you may ask easily in the comment section. I will reply you inshallah. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.